If you want to send a voice message on Discord PC, the easiest way is to record your message first and then upload it directly into the chat. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can quickly share a voice note on Discord from your Windows computer. This is a simple workaround that works great when you want to send a personal audio message, reply faster, or avoid typing out a long message. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open your Windows sound recorder and record the audio message you want to send. On most Windows devices, you can search for voice recorder or sound recorder in the Start menu. Once it opens, click the record button and speak your message clearly. Try to keep your message short and direct, especially if you're sending it in a Discord server or group chat. When you're done recording, stop the recording and save the audio file somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder or desktop. Now that your voice message is recorded, open Discord on your PC and go to the chat or server where you want to send it. You can send it in a direct message, a group chat, or a server channel, as long as that channel allows file uploads. Make sure you're in the correct conversation before you upload anything, because once the file is sent, everyone in that chat will be able to see or hear it. Next, look at the message area at the bottom of Discord. You'll see a plus icon next to the text box where you normally type your messages. Click that plus icon and then choose Upload a File from the menu. This opens your file browser where you can select the audio recording you just made. Browse to the folder where you saved the file. Click on the voice message recording and then press Open. Once the file is attached, Discord will usually show a preview of the audio file before sending it. Take a second to confirm that you selected the correct recording. If everything looks good, click Send to post the file into the chat. Your voice message will now appear in Discord, and other people in the conversation can open and listen to it. And that's it. You've now sent a voice message on Discord using your Windows PC. It's a very simple method, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes fast and easy to repeat whenever you need it. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Discord tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.